Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by testing where the auto zoom appears on your iPhone. Check if the problem happens only in camera or across multiple apps. Reproduce the issue while noting whether gestures like pinch or three-finger taps trigger it. Inspect the lens area for debris and wipe gently with a microfiber cloth. Restart the phone to see if a temporary software issue resolves the zoom. If the problem persists only in camera, continue to camera-specific fixes later in this guide. Open Settings and tap Accessibility to locate zoom settings quickly. Tap Zoom and toggle the feature off to prevent magnification gestures from activating. Also check Touch Settings and disable Reachability if gestures cause accidental zooms. Use the triple tap with 3 fingers to test whether zoom still activates after toggling off. Restart the iPhone to ensure settings changes take effect and test camera again. If the issue stops, you resolved an accessibility-triggered auto-zoom problem. Ensure iOS is updated by visiting Settings, General, and Software Update. Update the camera app if applicable through App Store updates. Remove any case that might press the lens area and clean the lens with a microfiber cloth. Test with and without third-party camera apps to isolate the issue. If software fixes fail, go to Settings, General, Reset, and reset all settings to restore defaults without deleting data. As a last resort, contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider for hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.